We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words, some of the most mispronounced ones, including from French, so make sure to stay tuned for those. This is indeed a word of French origin. For reference, it is said in France as bidet, bidet, and this is why, because it's French, that the T is silent at the end. In English, it is said as bidet, bidet from French, bidet. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.